Hello students, in this video I am going to teach you heat for class 7. Today's topic is transfer of heat. Transfer of heat. To carry heat from one part of an object to its other part or from one object to another. Your topic is transfer of heat and I am going to explain you topic transfer of heat. This is very interesting topic. Please concentrate here. To carry heat from one part of an object to its other part or from one object to another object is called transfer of heat. Example, first example is candle when burned produces heat energy. Yes, heat is a form of energy. Heat is always transferred from hotter object to colder objects. Second example is when we boil milk, it cools after some time. Why does this happen? Think it. Why does this happen? This is because hot milk transfers the heat to its surroundings. Third point is a heater kept inside a room during winter heats. A heater kept inside a room during winter heats the room gradually. This is because heat from the heater is transferred to its cooler surroundings in the room. Is it clear? Heat is transferred by the following methods. What is the method of transfer of heat? Mode of transfer of heat. There are three methods for transfer of heat. First is conduction, second convection, and third one is radiation. In this chapter, you will learn more about heat transfer and its various forms. I will discuss one by one. First, conduction. In solids, heat is transferred by conduction. Example, how can it transferred? Example, we can understand with the help of example. What is conduction? If we hit one end of a metal spoon by keeping it over a gas burner, we find that its other end also becomes hot after a while. Clear? In this case, heat is transferred from the hot end of the metal spoon to its cold end. When heat is transferred from the hotter end of a spoon to its colder end, there is no movement of the material of the spoon from one end to another. Of the spoon from one end to another, such a transfer of heat, okay, from the hot part of a material to its colder part is called conduction. Discussion of conduction is over and conduction of heat from hot end of a metal spoon to its colder end. I will show with the help of this experiment. This is the experiment of conduction. This one is candle and hot end. This is spoon. Hot end, heat transfer. This one is colder end and the hotter end. When we put spoon on this candle, this part become hot and gradually heat transferred to the colder end. So we can understand with this experiment conduction. Definition: conduction is the transfer of heat from hotter part of a material to its colder part without the movement of materials as a whole. This topic is over. We will discuss further topic in the next class. Please like my video, share my video, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.